sometimes those top players, they can just click, they can just form an instant relationship.
Referee for this one is Buk Chol Choi.
Kick-off time. Nobody needs reminding us of the importance of this match, but what kind of a match will it turn out to be?
McCleary. Mariappa.
Can someone reach it? Just got the ball away. Oh, good handling. Easy to let those slip out, you know. Here's Watson. Little back heel.
Moreno. Marquez. Herrera.
Nicely worked.
Barnes.
Chance maybe. Straight at the keeper. Will he find a man? Look at this now. Goal for Mexico.
There can be few more satisfying feelings for a footballer than a sweetly struck volley like that. I bet he hardly felt it off his boot. Perfectly timed.
Clive, when you catch a volley right, they stay hit. That's some finish. And I'd like to think he's going to rush over and congratulate the man that crossed that ball in, Clive, because that was delivered on a sixpence.
9 minutes is how long we had to wait for the first game, no longer.
Mariappa.
Watts. Neither about to give the ball up. Austin.
Now he needs to move the ball quickly. Guardado.
A nice idea.
Here's Javier Hernandez.
So important to keep possession.
McCleary.
Austin.
Lawrence. Ball's out of play. Mexico will have the throw. Now, referees have long memories, and yeah, I thought so. Yellow card for the foul that he played the advantage on.
No problem there for me, Clive. The referee was correct. He produced the yellow card after trying to allow the play to develop. No complaints from the player there, Clive. He knew he was late and he knows it's a yellow.
Alvarez. Moreno.
Vela. Gallardo.
Herrera.
Can they get to it? Searching cross. Defender deals with it.
It's a corner to Mexico. It'll be a throw in to Mexico. Smart piece of defending, could have been dangerous that.
Barnes.
Mariappa. Back enough.
Can he get to it? That's behind for a goal kick.
Gallardo.
Tries a shot. Going for goal, but not finding it.
All right, he hasn't hit the target, but that wasn't a bad effort.
Played back into his own box.
Hernandez. Headed off the danger there, saw the pass coming. McCleary. Mariappa.
Really good football.
Didn't quite get to him. Opening here. Oh, that could have easily crept in.
Well, you do start to think, is it going to be their day? Because that's another opportunity missed, and I'm afraid that's another great chance to go level.
Gallardo. Hernandez. Gallardo. Vela. Herrera. Marquez. Gallardo. Looking to stretch the defence one way, then the other. Good interception, he can win the ball in midfield like that.
Now what's on for him here? Oh, that's a really good save. Offside given by the linesman. Oh, they had possibilities there.
McCleary. Mariappa. Here's Watson. Herrera. Alvarez. Gallardo. Barnes. Here's Watson.
Here's a chance. Well hit. Oh, great athleticism from the keeper.
They need a goal. They've got a corner.
On his head. Directed straight at the goalkeeper. Austin. The fourth official signalling 3 minutes of time added on.
Morgan. Lawrence.
But he picked someone out. Off target with the header. Barnes. Effective goal. Watson.
Comfortably intercepted. Poor pass, really. Defender read the danger.
Good stop. The keeper did really well.
The first 45 minutes have produced a closely fought contest. Some have impressed more than others, but the game is in the balance.
It has. It's been an interesting first 45 minutes, and it's not done yet, you know. This is still pretty close.
Mexico get the second half underway. Didn't really want the half-time whistle to come the way it was going. McCleary. Read the situation, didn't he? Wasn't the best of passes. Alvarez. Vela. Gallardo. Guardado. Herrera.
good throw.
Made the interception, got it back too easily there. Watson. Using the full width of the field here. Barnes. Lawrence. Back enough. Lawrence. Great vision that, one wing to the other. Barnes. Austin. Lawrence. Austin.
Defender couldn't handle him there. Real chance! Oh, that's some stop. Referee, no choice but to give the free kick there, but will he caution him too? Maybe some fresh legs will do it for him. A chance for the substitute to go on and make a name for himself. And who knows, maybe save the game.
Substitution here, Mexican coach just changing things.
Moreno. Good use of the ball. Chance here.
Put them under pressure there, but the defender managed to get it clear.
Chance here. Oh, excellent goalkeeping.
Here's a chance to get on terms. It's a corner. Manager's going to take a little bit of a risk here. I'm not sure that he needs to change this winning combination, but he is making a substitution.
Goes for goal. Oh, what a stop. Danger still, it's a corner. Stay where they are for another corner. We have a substitution here. The manager trying something new now in the hope of saving the game. keeper's been playing them on his own at times. Nothing he could do there.
Well, he can't keep them out forever, can he? He's played ever so well, the goalkeeper. That's a well-drilled corner. The opposition never got to grips with people, and it's ended up in the back of the net.
Mexico making a substitution.
Scores level at 1 each now then.
Here's Morgan. Williamson. Important to retain possession.
Got everything right, couldn't have met it better.
Managers are paid to make substitutions. They don't all work quite as well as that one, though.
Again, watch his movement here, Clive. It's very clever. Gets a yard, and that's some finish with his head.
We can take another look at that wonderful goal.
You have to feel there'll be goals today.
That's no score for
2-1.
Mexico. In the 17th minute, number 20 is Roberto Perez.
Williamson. Mariappa. Building the attack patiently. Got a chance. Oh yes, there's the equaliser.
They're such a good side to watch when they're in sync like that.
You know, the passing has just opened up the opposition, and that is a glorious finish.
Other angle here, Andy, different view.
This game's going to take some winning, isn't it? There's so little to choose between these two sides. It's making for a wonderful match.
Gallardo. Mexico awarded a throw-in. Right decision. Guardado. Gallardo. Guardado. Can Mexico make something of this?
And the cross finds its way into the hands of the keeper.
Hernandez. Guardado.
His teammates in support.
Alvarez Roca.
There's a man free. Giovanni! To the back of the net! Oh, he's offside. challenged so well, you know. Dos Santos. Gallardo.
Late in the day, this game is still there for the taking. It would take a brave man to call it now.
Not a good pass, easily picked off. Austin. Mariappa.
Over the line, it's a throw-in. Now Johnson.
Austin.
Johnson. Unable to hold it. He's got a chance. That will be nothing more than a goal kick.
Lawrence.
Williamson. Good one too. Barnes. Austin.
Mariappa.
Barnes. And the fourth official is indicating there will be 4 minutes of added time.
Chance here for Mexico, maybe.
So it's a chance. Back off the bar. They can snatch it from this. In their lines. Barnes. Delivers it in. Trying a header. It's scored. Wouldn't you just know it? They're in front. You never know in football, but I wouldn't be surprised if we've just seen the goal that decides this match.
All credit to this team. They never gave it up, not for 1 second, and they have nicked one late on.
Not a goal that we'll ever get tired of seeing, this one.
The goal could hardly have come at a better time. So little time remaining. That's the winner, surely. Not a bad game there. Could have gone either way.
Yeah, both teams were going for it, weren't they? There was a good edge to this one.
Will he find a man? Look at this now. Gone for goal. Goal for Mexico. Not the first effort. It's a real chance. And he's equalised. free. Giovanni to the back of the net.
Delivers it in.
Trying a header, he scored!